Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the server process is active and you have admin access to its machine or control panel. Once done, determine whether this is a local LAN server or a hosted instance. This changes where you look. Make sure you know the operating system and which network adapter the server uses, because the IP retrieval commands differ slightly between Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Now open the appropriate terminal or command prompt without delay. You now run the correct command for the server OS. On Windows, type ipconfig and read the if4 tied to the adapter. On Mac OS or Linux, use ifconfig or ipadder and find the address under the server interface. If the server is hosted, log into the provider control panel and copy the public IP, or from the server run curl ifconfig to display its public address. Once you have the number, note whether it's public or private for the next step. You finish by configuring your router and firewall. If the server IP is private, forward port 25,565 to that internal address and allow the port in the OS firewall. Then test by entering IP 25,565 in Minecraft. If that fails, verify the server is listening on the expected address and port and that no local firewall blocks the process. If problems persist, check NAT type. ISB port.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.